Bermuda's famous pink sand beaches are not actually made of pink sand, but rather a mixture of white sand, shells, and crushed coral from the surrounding reefs. The coral and shells give off a pink hue, creating a beautiful blend of pink and white beaches all along the island's coastline. Visitors come from all over the world to enjoy the unique beauty of Bermuda's beaches and to take home iconic pink sand as a souvenir. Bermuda's Gibbs Hill Lighthouse is a must-see landmark for anyone visiting the island. This iconic lighthouse was built in 1844 and is the oldest cast iron lighthouse in the world. At over 100 feet tall, it offers stunning views of the surrounding island and its turquoise waters. Visitors can climb the 185 steps to the top of the lighthouse and take in the breathtaking panoramic view. If you visit at night, you can even see the lighthouse's powerful light that can be seen from over 30 miles away. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. The triangle's boundaries are defined by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Many theories have been proposed over the years to explain the supposed paranormal activity in the area, such as tropical storms, methane gas eruptions, human error, and natural disasters, among others. Despite the many theories, no one has ever been able to conclusively explain the bizarre events that have occurred in the Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda shorts are a unique item of clothing that originated with the British military. The shorts were designed to provide comfort and freedom of movement in hot climates. Today, Bermuda shorts are a fashion statement and are considered formal attire on the island of Bermuda. The shorts are typically worn with a blazer, tie, and knee-high socks. Visitors to the island are often surprised to see people wearing shorts to formal events such as weddings and business meetings. The shorts come in a variety of colors and patterns and are a must-have souvenir for anyone visiting the island. The Prohibited Restaurants Act 1977 requires that no person shall operate a prohibited restaurant in Bermuda.